Hey there, I'm Chris Ponick, Certified Public Accountant, Certified Coach, and the host of the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast. And I want to welcome you to this new series that I'm doing on this podcast. My intention is to drop one of these additional episodes every Monday while I continue to provide you with the regular Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast episodes, which will continue to help you take control of and understand your business finances with topics that ultimately impact your bottom line. I have many business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals who listen to this podcast, and I want to get more help out there for individuals like you when it comes to mastering your mindset. I'll be taking a few moments each week to touch on topics that many high-stress professionals are dealing with and provide solutions to help you increase your overall well-being. Because I know your time is valuable, just like the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, my goal is to keep these episodes short and straight to the point, but full of useful information to help you succeed in not only your professional life, but your personal life as well. Do you ever feel like you're constantly putting other people's needs before your own? Do you say yes when you really want to say no? Maybe you're feeling guilty for turning someone down or worrying that speaking what you truly mean might upset others. If so, you're likely caught in the cycle of people-pleasing, a habit that over time can drain your energy, increase your stress, and leave you feeling resentful. Do you wish that you could finally break free from people-pleasing? If you're ready to start prioritizing yourself without feeling guilty, let's dive in. Understanding what people-pleasing really is and why you do it is the first step to changing it. When you stop people-pleasing, you gain back control over your time, your priorities, and your life. So let's start off with what people-pleasing really is. At its core, people-pleasing means saying or doing something at your own expense, often to gain approval or avoid conflict. It usually stems from feelings of guilt or fear. Maybe you feel guilty for being honest about what you really want, or you're afraid of how someone will react if you say no. Instead of honoring your own needs, you put someone else's desires ahead of yours. It might seem like the right thing to do. After all, we're often taught that being helpful and accommodating is a virtue, right? But when you people please, you're not being completely truthful with yourself or with the other person. You're saying what you think they want to hear rather than what you really mean. I want you to think about that for a second. People-pleasing isn't just about being nice. It's actually a form of manipulation. I know that sounds harsh, but stay with me for a minute. When you people-please, you're trying to control how someone else feels or how they see you. You want them to be happy with you. You want to avoid conflict. You want their approval. But what's the cost? You're sacrificing your own well-being in the process. I want you to start recognizing whenever you're people-pleasing in your life. So I'm offering a simple way to determine if you are truly a people-pleaser. If you'd like to continue listening to the rest of this podcast, I invite you to sign up for my free private podcast, where I do a deeper dive into this topic on the Mastering Your Mindset Moments podcast for high-stress professionals. When you're busy working in a high-stress profession, it's often hard to accomplish what you truly want in your life. This private podcast offers solutions that you can immediately apply to your life so that you can not only achieve your goals, but increase your sense of purpose, satisfaction, and lead a more fulfilling and enjoyable life. You can sign up at financialadventure.com/private to hear about the solutions that I provide on this topic. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.